So the Internet of Things, right? Everybody likes to throw this buzzword out there and say, oh, this is going to transform my business. I can't wait. The thing I like to focus on there is it's always referred to as future state. Well, this is kind of here now, okay? A lot of companies are doing this, and there are systems out there that have plug and play track and trace solutions. I'll just kind of give you a high level example of, let's say the product that you're tracking has individual serialization. They're all tagged with RFID tags, right? That ties to an IoT device that might be on your container or your pallet or your handheld. Then that ties to an onboard vehicle within a trailer with a 3PL or your shipping truck. What if we could take all that information and use that predictive analytics to reroute our load and say, hey, this isn't going to arrive on time. Now I'm going to reroute this load so I can shift my production, right? That's where all these things are talking to each other and giving us that system and predictive analytics that we can rely upon.